So what is going on, guys? Chris here, bringing you just a quick little video. Today I got a part and I'm going to install it, and I'm actually really glad that I got this part because this is why. So what I ended up getting was an UPR oil catch can, and I have the oil breathers, and this is the mess that happens over time. I just cleaned this literally about a week ago, and so we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to hook up the old hose that went right here, and we're going to hook up the new UPR oil catch can. So let me pull that out of the bag. Actually, of course, it's really cold. Don't mind the mess under here, guys. Just really haven't had time to actually get down and degrease the motor and stuff like I usually do during the summertime. But I ordered this over the holiday break from Mafia Racing through them, and got the UPR catch can. Came pretty well packed, and I have a few UPR products, and they're really good overall. So this is pretty much what I got. The black, I don't know if you can, there you go, the black anodized oil catch can. It has a release button right here, so it makes it easy to take off and put back on, very easy. And the fittings on this, let me go ahead and take it off. But the fittings on this are, you know, aluminum. They're not plastic. That's why I went with this one rather than the Mishimoto one or any of the other companies out there. You don't have to worry about these fittings breaking. This is pretty well made. It's pretty sturdy from what I've been able to tell. So we're going to go ahead and install this, and let's go ahead and do that. There you go, guys. Pretty much as simple as that. Less than a minute install. I'm going to get a rag and clean up this whole mess right here where the oil just spits out and everything. Definitely going to clean this car in the next few days. So just reuse the factory hose that comes with the motor or the car. Literally hooks in right there, and it sits right there. Now, being a Coyote swap, I really don't have the best place to put it somewhere else, but honestly, there's no real problem as it fits right there. Do yourself a favor and pick up an oil catch can. I went with the UPR one because it's very simple to remove, dump the oil, and install back. You don't even have to take, all you do is just unpress this, and this one's just turned upside down. Literally just press this, comes off, unscrew it, see how much oil you have built up, dump it, clean it, boom, back on the road in 5 minutes. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I will give an update on how well the UPR catch can is working in the future, probably about a week or so. Well, I'll take it off and see how much oil there is built up in it, but it is the best one from the reviews, the forums, and everyone that said. You know, everyone has a different opinion. Again, the UPR one had the best bang for buck. Got a great deal on it, and just everyone was really positive about it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, share, like, and it's really cold out here, so that's why I'm kind of like slurring my words, maybe, I don't know, but it's just really freaking cold. So just went ahead and did this little video for you guys, and have a happy new year, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Follow the build. Have a good one.